Have you been spending hundreds or even thousands of pounds on high-end anti-aging creams, hoping for firmer, younger-looking skin, only to be disappointed by the results? What if I told you the answer to healthier, younger skin isn't in a fancy jar, but in a tiny natural seed you can buy in any supermarket? Chia seeds are quickly becoming a go-to natural remedy for older adults wanting to reduce wrinkles, ease joint discomfort, and boost energy, without synthetic ingredients or sky-high prices. In this video, we'll explain why chia seeds work, how to use them daily, and share real-life results from people just like you. So make sure you stick around to the end. Why expensive creams don't deliver. Let's begin with why most anti-aging creams don't live up to the hype, especially as we get older. The majority of creams only affect the outermost layer of your skin, known as the epidermis. But the real aging process takes place much deeper, in the dermis, where your body produces collagen and elastin. Collagen keeps your skin firm and elastin helps it stay flexible. As we age, our production of both decreases. Most creams simply can't reach the deeper layers where change really happens. Even worse, many contain parabens, which have been linked to hormone disruption alcohols that dry out the skin, synthetic fragrances, which can cause irritation. So while they may smell nice or feel silky, they're often doing very little to slow the aging process. That's why many older adults are turning to a more holistic internal solution. What are chia seeds and why are they powerful? Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. They were used by the Aztecs and Mayans for strength, endurance, and healing. Modern science confirms their impressive nutritional profile. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, which helps skin stay plump and joints stay comfortable. More antioxidants than blueberries. Antioxidants protect skin from free radicals, which accelerate aging. High-quality plant protein, essential for collagen production and skin repair. Soluble fiber supports digestive health, which is strongly connected to skin clarity and overall wellness. Calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, vital for strong bones and muscles. All this from a seed smaller than a grain of rice. It's a simple, natural way to support healthy aging from the inside out. Real seniors, real results. Let's look at how real people are benefiting from adding chia seeds to their routine. Linda, age 64, started having chia pudding for breakfast. Within a month, she noticed her skin was more hydrated and she felt less bloated and tired. Harold, 72, used to rely on joint pain creams. Now he blends chia seeds into smoothies and says his knees feel better than they have in years. And Margaret, 67, says, "I used to spend a fortune on anti-wrinkle creams. Now I spend less than a tenner a month on chia seeds, and people keep asking what I'm doing differently." These aren't rare results. When your body gets the nutrients it needs, it starts to heal and rejuvenate naturally. How to use chia seeds in your daily routine. You don't need to completely change your diet. Here are 4 easy ways to start using chia seeds every day. 1. Chia pudding mix. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with ½ cup of almond or oat milk. Leave it in the fridge overnight to thicken. Add fruit or a drizzle of honey in the morning. Delicious and loaded with nutrients. 2. Chia water. Stir 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a gel. Drink it before meals for better digestion and hydration. Sprinkle on meals. Add raw chia seeds to porridge, yogurt, soups, or salads. They have a very mild taste and won't affect the flavor. 4. In smoothies. Blend chia into your morning smoothie for added fiber and omega-3s. Just 1 tablespoon a day can make a noticeable difference. But remember, drink plenty of water as chia seeds absorb moisture and expand. Chia seed skin glow mask. A natural trick for radiant skin. Why it works. While eating chia seeds is powerful, using them directly on the skin gives you targeted hydration, antioxidants, and omega-3s to soothe, plump, and brighten skin. DIY chia seed. Face mask. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons water or rose water for extra benefits, ½ teaspoon honey, optional natural humectant, 1 to 2 drops of jojoba oil or argan oil, optional for dry skin. Steps: mix chia seeds with water and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes until they form a gel. Stir in the honey and oil, if using. Apply the mixture evenly to clean skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and gently pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times per week for best results. Pro tip: use the leftover gel as a natural under-eye treatment. Dab a small amount under the eyes at night to reduce puffiness and smooth fine lines. Just don't get it in your eyes. Are there any side effects? Chia seeds are safe for most people, but it's important to start gradually and listen to your body. Here are a few tips. Begin with 1 tablespoon per day if you're not used to high-fiber foods. Stay well hydrated, as chia seeds absorb liquid and can cause discomfort if you don't drink enough water. Speak with your GP if you're on blood-thinning medication or have specific health conditions. Most people tolerate chia seeds extremely well, but a little caution goes a long way. Healthy aging starts from within. Let's face it, aging is natural, but how you age, that's something you can influence. Healthy skin, better energy, and stronger joints don't come from miracle creams, they come from supporting your body from the inside. Chia seeds are just one tool, but they're a powerful one. When paired with a balanced diet, movement, and self-care, they can help you look and feel your best at any age. Are you ready to swap expensive anti-aging creams for a natural solution that actually works? Try chia seeds for 30 days. You might be surprised by what changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Aging well isn't about turning back the clock, it's about moving forward with strength, confidence, and joy.